Example number 1, find the volume of the shape. This shape is a rectangular solid. It happens to be a cube because all sides are the same. So our volume, length times width times height, where all dimensions are the same, 15 times 15 times 15, or you could write that 15 to the third power. Using your calculator, 15 to the third power is 3,375, and notice we are in cubic inches. Example number 2 is also a rectangular solid. The volume is length times width times height. So our length is 8, our width is 7, and our height is 9. So 8 times 7 times 9 is 504 cubic centimeters. Example 3, a rectangular solid. The volume is length times width times height. Our length is 2, our width is 5, and our height is 7. And 2 times 5 times 7 is 70 cubic centimeters. And you may notice that you can multiply those in any order and you would get the same answer. Example number 4. This one's a little different because they give us the volume and they ask us to find the missing height of the shape. So using our formula, volume is length times width times height. Our volume is given as 343. Our length is 7, our width is 7, and our height, and I put the lowercase h, so let me change that, is unknown. So that gives us 343 equals 49 times h. So to solve that, we need to divide 343 divided by 49, and our answer is also 7 inches. Now notice this time we're in inches because we're just trying to find this straight length. We're not finding cubes or squares, just a straight length, so we have simple inches. Example number 5. Find the volume of the cylinder in terms of pi and to the nearest tenth. So our formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared height. So leaving the pi in, r squared is our radius, that's 8 squared, and our height is 7. So that's pi times 64 times 7. So leaving the pi, 64 times 7 is 448 pi cubic inches. The pi key on your calculator will give you a lot of places of pi, or you can remember to use 3.1415, and that'll get us accurate to the nearest tenth. So it's going to be 448 times the pi key, or times 3.1415 to the nearest tenth is 1407.4. 1407.4, and again, because we're doing volume, both of these are in cubic inches.